Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of guessing the torque on your next project? Get ready to experience precision like never before with the GEARWRENCH 3/8 drive electronic torque wrench. This game-changing tool is a top-rated favorite among professionals and DIYers alike, and for good reason. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its unparalleled performance and versatility. One of the standout features is the target torque alert, which gives you a warning as you approach the target torque, and when you hit it, the vibrating handle, buzzer, and solid LED light all work together to let you know you're right on the money. The LED lights are super bright, making it easy to see what you're doing even in low light conditions, and the textured grip feels solid in your hand, giving you the confidence to tighten or loosen with precision. With 5 different torque measurement units to choose from, including foot-pounds, inch-pounds, and newton-meters, you can work on anything from cars to bicycles with ease. Whether you're a mechanic, a handyman, or just a car enthusiast, this wrench is a must-have, and its high capacity means you can tackle even the toughest jobs without worrying about stripping screws or damaging bolts. Imagine being able to tighten a loose wheel or replace a brake pad with the confidence that comes from knowing you've got the exact right amount of torque, and that's exactly what this wrench delivers. So why settle for anything less, when you can have the best? Try the GEARWRENCH 3/8 drive electronic torque wrench today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.